Applying to college can be difficult, especially for new students. So here at Vermont Technical Center, we make it easy to start early.
My oldest son is in the BAS program, came in undeclared, but primarily to study electrical engineering. He is a highly motivated student, very independent, and he has excelled during this year. What I've noticed about other BAS students in my years here is that they are a highly motivated group of students. They are inquisitive about content that they're learning.
Your last day of high school could be your first day of college. Our time is now, so get started with Vermont Technical Center today.